Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. I am in a deep slumber. I'm 52 years old and I have not yet awakened to my own existence in its full form. Though I don't mind living under laws and borders, because that's perhaps is the given standard, the only form of managing things at this point. But I have already grown out of all borders. I would rather like to live as a human on this planet. I placed all the people in government and politics, and I have utilized all the capitalistic facilities that were offered to me, and all those things have captured me. But I'm longing and working for true freedom. I'm in a process of waking up, but it seems to be an unending process. It's been a lifetime that I'm trying to wake up, and I'm still caught up in it. It is a very, very intense web of factors that keeps me a prisoner of the system. But I know that I need to wake up. I want to be free man who selects or elects servants who are genuine in their desire to serve us, the people. I know we need somebody to do that, but I need to see sincere people. I want to see people, ordinary people like myself, in the lead, sincerely bringing not just one particular society, but the whole world to sanity, to where civilization actually blossoms. We human actually live out our lives. This marvelous, beautiful, magical opportunity of life the way we should. We should not be subject to this horrendous capitalistic onslaught and fake, hypocritical, so-called democracy. There has to be an alternate systems. There are. I hope the day I wake up, I will play a role, a part in bringing those systems on, bringing them to life, because we need that. Otherwise, the onslaught of capitalism, this pure, greed-driven, unrelenting, unrestrained onslaught is damaging every single thing, whether it's physical world or non-physical, moral, emotional world. I hope I wake up. I hope I really, really wake up. I'm not there yet, but I'm really craving that point. And I know I'm not alone. I hope those who have already awakened are already working on bringing together those awakened souls. I really hope to hear one of these days a voice, a calling that I can join forces with as an individual. Looking forward to that. May God guide us. May we all reach the next level in our evolution. Amen. Amen.